Hello guys, here I'll be showing you how I ended up with this attractive customized Windows desktop. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to the point. First thing you want to do is to remove the icons from your desktop. By doing that, you just want to right click on your desktop, go onto view and go to show desktop icons. Select that. Now you can see that this desktop is clear. Your icons are not deleted. You can reverse the same process to get your icons back on your desktop. After doing that, you just head on to your browser. I'm using Google here, and guys, all the links I'll be using in this video will be provided for you in the description. All you have to do is to just go down here. Well, I'm not going to download now because I have already done that, so I'll just head on straight to my file explorer. Here in downloads, as we can see here, we have this Rainmeter setup. Highlight on it, right click, run as administrator, click OK. Standard installation, go on next, just select install, click finish. When you get this after installation, all you have to do is to right click and unload skin, right click, unload skin, right click, unload skin, and do the same for this last one, unload skin. After that, we're just going to head on back to our browser. Here in omnimo.info, we're downloading the Omnimo Rainmeter skin. Just go down here to this icon and click on it. And again, I'm not going to download because I've already done that, so I'll just head on straight to my file explorer. Here in downloads, as you can see, this is Omnimo 10 zip file. Now to extract this zip file, just highlight it, right click on it, then you can select extractor, but because I'm using WinRAR, I'll just go down here to WinRAR and extract here. Right, so having done that, we're going to get all these files from this zip file. Then we have this one that says Omnimo Rainmeter skin. Okay, just double click on that and select install. Once download is complete and you minimize this, when you get this pop-up, just select your language. Here I'm choosing English. And then we have these three options here, but I'm just going to toggle this off, then select this arrow. Now we have this ready-made skin on our desktop. To make this unique, we're going to do some customization here. First thing I want to do is to X on this. First, you have your time here, you have your date, and you have this news flash. Now I'm going to make this smaller because I think it's a bit too bogus. So just right click on this, select item settings. Under item settings, I want to slide this behind. 105 should be fine. Just click on this check here. Now as you can see, it has reduced in size, so I'm just going to bring it down here a bit. Now proceed to remove any skin I do not need from here. To remove any skin, you just have to simply right click on it and close. Right click and close. Right click and close. Also, I don't want this, so I'm just going to right click on it and close it. And guys, you can do these according to your taste, okay? And also down here, we just right click on it, close that as well. On this one, I'm going to change the shape of it. I want it to be a bit smaller, so I'm going to right click on it and select alternative, okay? I don't want this on my desktop, so I'm just going to close this as well. So on this, I'm just going to right click as well and select alternative. Again, alternative, 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 until we get something like this. Okay, drag this up here. So guys, we're left with this scanty unfinished work. Now I'm going to show you the main thing here, which is this launcher. Okay, so you just click on that. As we can see here, first thing we have here on the left side is essential panels. Here you can choose whatever you want to add on to your desktop. For instance, now I'm going to add this Wi-Fi. I'm just going to click on it. It shows on the left. So I'm just going to right click on it and select alternative. I'm going to do that again until I get the desired shape. This is what I want. I'm just going to put it down here. I will do the same for the battery. So I'm just going to select this battery and select alternative until I get what I want. Okay, I think the easy way to go about this is to select whatever item you need first, and later you go about arranging it. So as I don't need anything else from this session, I'll proceed to scroll down. I need this virtualizer, so I'm just gonna click on virtualizer, as we can see there on the left. And as I speak, you can see some movement right on there. I'm just gonna make it smaller by right clicking on it, select alternative. This is just nice. Bring it down here. Now I hope we understand how this works. So I'll proceed to shortcut panels, click on shortcut panels, and here you can add some icons onto your desktop. The same way, all you have to do is just click on it. I'll make some choices here. So here are the icons which I selected just now from these shortcut panels. And again, these are too bogus, so I'm just going to make it smaller by right clicking on it and select alternative. Now it seems I have everything I need from this launcher, so I'll proceed to X on it. Right now I'll proceed to make some changes right here. First thing I want to do is to right click on this Netflix, and I'm going to select item settings, and I'm just going to slide it onto 180. Okay, and check on it. It's a bit bigger and looks nicer like that. Now observe how I arrange all this. So now I just feel this taskbar is going to look nicer if it's dark. So now we're going to proceed to change this to a darker color. By doing that, you just want to right click on your desktop, go on to personalize. Then you want to select colors. Here under choose your mode, you want to go to the right side here, click on this arrow down, select custom. Under your choose your default Windows mode, just select this arrow down and choose dark. Once that is done, you just X this, and as you can see, we're left with a dark taskbar. Now proceed to take this to another level by making this taskbar smaller. What you have to do is to go to your Microsoft Store. In your Microsoft Store, just search for rounded TV. Rounded TV, just click on this, and here you want to select install. Once installation is complete, just go ahead and open it and select OK. I'm just going to close this Microsoft Store. I'll proceed to drag this to the center. Here, just click on the advanced settings. You're just going to select on this dynamic mode, show system tray on over, view taskbar when maximized, view taskbar on Alt plus TAB. For this margin, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. On this corner radius, I'm just going to slide it until 10. Having done that, just go ahead and select apply. After doing this, you just X this, and as you can see, we have our rounded taskbar just in the middle here. And if you toggle on to your right side, you're gonna get the remaining part of your taskbar, which is awesome. The final thing is to change the wallpaper. Okay, and now we head on back to a browser, and here I've already prepared a wallpaper for you, link in the description. And guys, you can use any wallpaper of your choice. Okay, you just proceed to download this. After doing that, just go ahead to the downloads, and here is the wallpaper. Just highlight on it, right click on it, and set as desktop background. Let me make this bigger a bit. So just go back to item settings. I'm gonna make it 118 this time and check on it. And here is the final product right here. We have this beautiful wallpaper and this awesome customization right here. I hope you have some fun doing this, guys. That's it about that. Thanks for watching. You can share your thoughts in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notifications so you get notified when I post content like this. Do have a nice day and see you in the next video. Peace.